At the India AI Summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled India's comprehensive Manav vision for artificial intelligence, outlining a human-centric framework for ethical, accountable and inclusive governance of AI. In his speech, PM Modi called for the democratization of artificial intelligence. He slammed countries and companies who are treating AI as a strategic asset to be developed in confidence.
Ladies and gentlemen,
कुछ देश और कंपनियां मानती है कि एआई एक स्ट्रैटेजिक एसेट है, इसलिए इसे कॉन्फिडेंशियल तरीके से डेवलप किया जाना चाहिए। लेकिन भारत की सोच अलग है। हम मानते हैं कि एआई जैसी तकनीक तभी दुनिया के लिए लाभकारी होगी जब उसे शेयर किया जाएगा, जब कोड ओपन होंगे और शेयर किए जाएंगे, तभी हमारे मिलियंस ऑफ यंग माइंड्स उन्हें बेहतर और सुरक्षित बना पाएंगे। इसलिए आइए हम ये संकल्प लें कि एआई को ग्लोबल कॉमन गुड के रूप में विकसित किया जाएगा।
His call was echoed by UN Chief Antonio Guterres. Speaking at the summit, Guterres warned the gathering that the future of AI cannot be decided by a handful of countries or left to the whims of a few billionaires.
AI must belong to everyone. We must replace hype and fear with shared evidence and close knowledge gaps.
French President Emmanuel Macron told the summit that he is determined to ensure safe oversight of the fast-evolving technology.
Last year, arrival of the Alice Lecoq exascale supercomputer with 500,000 engineers, India has...
We are determined to continue to shape the rules of the game and to do with our allies, such as India, because we believe in core shared values: science, rule of law, global balance, efficient multilateralism, innovation for the benefit of all.
The AI Impact Summit is the fourth annual international gathering to discuss how to handle AI following previous meetings in Paris, Seoul and Britain. And for more on this, we are being joined by WION's Assistant Editor for Foreign Affairs, Siddharth Sibal, from the venue in New Delhi. Well, Sibal, thank you so much for joining us. Can you please tell us the key takeaways from the AI Summit?
Well, I'm here at the summit venue and it has been a packed day so far. But for India, it's a moment to showcase what it can bring to the table in terms of the evolving conversation on artificial intelligence. The Indian Prime Minister, in his speech, laid out the vision of Manav, that translates to human in Hindi, basically sending a message that there needs to be a human oversight on AI, a sovereign model that needs to respect the global geopolitics and ethics as well. Clearly, India putting the ethics debate at the center of this year's AI summit, the first one to happen in a major global south country. So far, the AI summits have happened in UK, South Korea, France, and this year here in India. And after that, it will go to Switzerland. We also saw other world leaders, including the French President Macron, laying out his vision, but also lauding India's leap forward in terms of the digital transformation. His example of a Mumbai vendor using a digital payment mechanism is something that has gone viral here in India. But also the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres pointing out that AI cannot be controlled by few countries or few billionaires is a clear message that the AI should be a global common, something that the Indian Prime Minister also slated. But clearly it's a 5-day event, but today is the main day. But for the public, it has been extended till Saturday.
Right, Siddharth. Thank you so much for getting us all the updates from the venue in Delhi. Well, thank you so much for joining us.